They tried to limit us. They tried to fit us into their ideas and their plans for the future. But while they were busy telling us which path to take, we were forging the path itself. While they told us intelligence lay only in our heads, we were unleashing the genius waiting in our hands. Learning how to craft homes for their future. Communities that last. While they were teaching us their limits, their obligations, their formulas for success, we were creating worlds without end. Because we were not made for such limits. We were made to stand amongst greatness, the way we define it. We don't sit alone at a desk. We work as a team, a family. We're not the type to leave a job half finished. And in our eyes, nothing's done until it's perfect. We didn't just want a job, we wanted a career. A place where advancement was part of the daily routine. So when opportunity knocked, we took it. Maybe it's time for you to start your life.